Food always plays a big part in Iranian culture, in Persian culture, but for New Year, we have traditional food.
The year turns on the spring solstice, on the exact moment of the spring solstice. Spring is a time of renewal. The frost and the snow is melting away, babies are being born, baby animals are being born, things are springing up out of the ground, but this is just a rebirth, a renewal of life.
You have all these green vegetables coming, so it's very exciting as a chef. So it's like an alarm clock. When it's Nowruz, you know that the spring is here. You arrive to a new family and you learn the new cooking technique and flavor and tradition.
The night before the New Year starts, we have rice and noodles and lamb. It's reshte polo, with lamb. Reshte polo is rice.
Rice. Polo is rice.
And reshte is noodles.
Lamb is in many cultures, is a very traditional spring dish to eat because now, you have the lambs that you can slaughter and use to eat. And the dish itself with the rice and the noodles and the dates and the raisins is very fortifying, it's very hearty, so I think that helps to give you fortification to go into the new year.
And the day of the New Year, when the spring starts, and then we have the herbs and rice and fish.
There's an abundant use of herbs, which you don't have during the frost of winter. It's only once that starts going away that you're able to get this beautiful cornucopia of herbs and produce, and that's served along with a fish. So now, the fish are coming to life and you can fish them and you can eat them in the spring. And so it's a white fish that's served with the rice.
The other dish that goes for the New Year is, we call it kuku, which is chopped herbs and eggs and all these spices that we have here, walnuts, what do you call it? We call these, no, the berries, barberries that come from Iran, of course.
It's a dense baked mixture of herbs and there's eggs mixed in to help bind it. And so you can bake it, but you'll see once the dish is done, it's just a bright green cake of solid herbs. The new year happens at the exact moment of the spring solstice. This year it'll be around 3 a.m. That moment is when you celebrate the new year. That is early in the morning. You'll be up and around the half scene with your family, and once the year turns, you wish each other a happy new year.
Some people are sleeping, but I'll be awake. So it depends who is awake. We'll, sit around that table and we'll wait for the New Year to start. And after the New Year starts, just before we say prayers, and after it starts, we recite poetry and then hug and kisses and eat sweets because it's in the middle of the night.